Investing is an essential part of financial planning, particularly for young professionals. With the rising cost of living and the need for financial stability, young professionals must start investing early. Mutual funds offer an accessible and efficient way to grow wealth over time. Young professionals often have limited knowledge about complex investment avenues. Mutual funds simplify this by pooling money from multiple investors and investing in a diversified portfolio. This reduces the need for individuals to manage their investments actively. Instead, they can rely on professional fund managers. Moreover, starting early gives young professionals the advantage of compounding. Over time, the returns on investments generate their own returns. This exponential growth can significantly boost financial wealth. With a long investment horizon, young professionals can take on higher risks for potentially higher rewards. In this essay, we will explore the best mutual funds for young professionals in India, focusing on equity funds. These funds are known for their potential to offer higher returns, making them ideal for those with a long-term perspective. Equity funds are a type of mutual fund that primarily invests in stocks or shares of companies. The main objective is to achieve capital appreciation over time. As the value of the company's stocks increases, so does the value of the fund. These funds are managed by professional fund managers who select a mix of stocks based on research and analysis. The selection aims to maximize returns while managing risks. Equity funds can be categorized into various types, including large cap, mid cap, and small cap funds, depending on the market capitalization of the companies they invest in. For young investors, equity funds are an excellent choice. They offer the potential for higher returns compared to other investment options like fixed deposits or bonds. This is because, historically, equity markets have outperformed other asset classes over the long term. However, it's important to note that equity funds come with higher risks. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of investments can fluctuate. But with a long-term investment horizon, young professionals can ride out these fluctuations and benefit from the overall growth of the market. Young investors have a significant advantage when it comes to investing in equity funds. Time. They have a longer investment horizon, which allows them to benefit from the power of compounding. This means the earnings from their investments generate their own earnings over time, leading to exponential growth. Equity funds are suitable for young investors because they can afford to take on more risk. Unlike older individuals who may need access to their funds in the near term, young professionals can withstand market volatility. This risk tolerance allows them to invest in funds that have higher growth potential. Additionally, young investors are often in the early stages of their careers with growing incomes. This provides them with the flexibility to invest regularly and take advantage of systematic investment plans, or SIPs. SIPs allow investors to contribute a fixed amount regularly, which can average out the cost of investment and reduce the impact of market volatility. Moreover, equity funds provide the opportunity for diversification. By investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors, these funds spread risk and reduce the impact of poor performance in any single stock or sector. This is particularly beneficial for young professionals who may not have the time or expertise to manage a diversified portfolio on their own. The Mirae Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund is a popular choice among young investors. This fund invests in a mix of large cap and mid cap stocks, providing a balance of stability and growth potential. The fund aims to identify companies that have strong growth prospects and are likely to become future blue chip companies. One of the key strengths of this fund is its strong performance track record. Over the years, it has consistently delivered impressive returns, outperforming its benchmark and peers. This makes it an attractive option for young professionals looking for high returns. The fund is managed by experienced and skilled fund managers who conduct thorough research and analysis to select stocks. They focus on companies with robust business models, strong management teams, and good growth potential. This research-driven approach helps in mitigating some of the risks associated with equity investments. However, investors should be aware that the fund's focus on mid-cap stocks can lead to higher volatility. While this can result in higher returns, it also means that the fund is subject to more significant fluctuations in value. Therefore, it is essential for investors to have a long-term investment horizon and be prepared for periods of market volatility. Section 5. Axis Mid-Cap Fund, an overview. The Axis Mid-Cap Fund is another excellent option for young professionals. This fund primarily invests in mid-cap stocks, which are companies with a market capitalization between the large-cap and small-cap segments. Mid-cap companies often have higher growth potential compared to large-cap companies, making them attractive for investors seeking higher returns. The Axis Mid-Cap Fund has a strong performance history, consistently delivering high returns. The fund managers focus on identifying mid-cap companies with strong fundamentals, growth potential, and competitive advantages. This approach helps in selecting stocks that are likely to outperform the market. One of the key benefits of this fund is its diversification. By investing in a broad range of mid-cap stocks across different sectors, the fund reduces the impact of poor performance in any single stock or sector. This diversification helps in managing risks while aiming for high returns. However, like all equity funds, the Axis Mid-Cap Fund comes with its share of risks. Mid-cap stocks can be more volatile than large-cap stocks, leading to significant fluctuations in the fund's value. Investors need to have a long-term perspective and be prepared for short-term volatility. Regular monitoring and staying informed about market trends can help in managing these risks effectively. Section 6. SBI Small Cap Fund, an overview. The SBI Small Cap Fund is an excellent choice for young professionals willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. This fund primarily invests in small cap stocks, which are companies with a smaller market capitalization. These companies often have high growth potential, but they also come with higher risks and volatility. The SBI Small Cap Fund has a strong track record of delivering impressive returns. The fund managers focus on identifying small cap companies with strong growth potential, good management teams, and competitive advantages. This strategy helps in selecting stocks that are likely to perform well in the long run. One of the key benefits of this fund is its ability to generate high returns. Small-cap stocks can provide significant upside potential, especially if the companies grow and expand their market presence. This makes the fund an attractive option for young professionals looking to maximize their returns over the long term. However, investing in small-cap stocks also comes with higher risks. These stocks can be more volatile and may be subject to significant price fluctuations. Therefore, it is essential for investors to have a high risk tolerance and a long-term investment horizon. Regularly reviewing the fund's performance and staying informed about market conditions can help in managing these risks. Section 7. Benefits of investing in these funds. Investing in mutual funds like Mirai Asset, Emerging Blue Chip Fund, Axis Mid-Cap Fund, and SBI Small Cap Fund offers several benefits. First and foremost, these funds provide the potential for high returns. By investing in stocks of companies with strong growth prospects, these funds aim to achieve significant capital appreciation over time. Another key benefit is diversification. These funds invest in a variety of stocks across different sectors, reducing the impact of poor performance in any single stock or sector. This diversification helps in managing risks while aiming for high returns. It provides investors with exposure to different segments of the market, enhancing their overall investment portfolio. Additionally, these funds are managed by professional fund managers with expertise in stock selection and portfolio management. This professional management ensures that the funds are invested in stocks with strong growth potential and good fundamentals. It also reduces the need for individual investors to actively manage their investments. Moreover, investing in these funds can be done through systematic investment plans, or SIPs. SIPs allow investors to contribute a fixed amount regularly, making it easier to invest consistently. This approach also helps in averaging out the cost of investment and reduces the impact of market volatility. Over time, SIPs can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Section 8. Risks involved in investing in equity funds. While investing in equity funds offers the potential for high returns, it also comes with certain risks. The primary risk is market volatility. The value of equity investments can fluctuate significantly due to changes in market conditions, economic factors, and company performance. This volatility can lead to short-term losses. Another risk is the potential for poor performance of individual stocks. Even with thorough research and analysis, there is always a chance that some stocks in the fund's portfolio may not perform as expected. This can impact the overall returns of the fund. Additionally, there is the risk of economic downturns. During periods of economic slowdown or recession, the stock market can experience significant declines. This can affect the value of equity funds and lead to losses for investors. It is important for investors to be prepared for such scenarios and have a long-term investment horizon. Inflation risk is another factor to consider. Over time, inflation can erode the real value of returns. While equity investments have historically outpaced inflation, there's no guarantee that this will always be the case. Investors need to consider the impact of inflation on their investment returns and plan accordingly. Section 9. Managing risks effectively. Managing risks effectively is crucial when investing in equity funds. One of the most effective strategies is to have a long-term investment horizon. By staying invested for the long term, investors can ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the overall growth of the market. Diversification is another key strategy. By investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors, investors can spread their risk and reduce the impact of poor performance in any single stock or sector. Diversification helps in managing risks while aiming for high returns. Regularly reviewing and monitoring the investment portfolio is also important. Investors should stay informed about market trends, economic conditions, and the performance of the funds they are invested in. This allows them to make informed decisions and take corrective actions if needed. Additionally, investing through systematic investment plans or SIPs can help in managing risks. SIPs allow investors to contribute a fixed amount regularly, which helps in averaging out the cost of investment. This approach reduces the impact of market volatility and allows investors to take advantage of market dips by buying more units at lower prices. Section 10. How to choose the right mutual fund. Choosing the right mutual fund is crucial for achieving investment goals. The first step is to identify individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Investors should consider their investment horizon, income, and financial objectives when selecting a mutual fund. It is important to research and compare different funds. Investors should look at the fund's performance history, investment strategy, and the experience of the fund managers. Comparing the performance of different funds helps in selecting the one that aligns with the investor's goals and risk tolerance. Another factor to consider is the expense ratio. The expense ratio represents the annual charges an investor incurs for managing the fund. Lower expense ratios are preferable as they reduce the overall cost of investment and improve net returns. Investors should also consider the fund's portfolio composition. Diversified funds that invest in a mix of large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks across different sectors provide better risk management. Funds with a concentrated portfolio may offer higher returns, but come with higher risks. Section 11. Reward offering and how to claim free financial calculators. To help young professionals make informed investment decisions, we are offering free financial calculators. These calculators can assist in planning and managing investments, calculating returns, and assessing risk. They are valuable tools for anyone looking to optimize their investment strategy. To claim your free financial calculators, simply visit our website and sign up for our newsletter. Once you sign up, you will receive a link to download the calculators. These tools are user-friendly and designed to help investors of all levels make better financial decisions. In addition to the calculators, our newsletter provides regular updates on market trends, investment tips, and expert insights. By subscribing, you will stay informed about the latest developments in the financial world and gain access to exclusive content. We hope these resources will empower you to take control of your financial future and make informed investment decisions. Investing in mutual funds is a step towards achieving financial stability and growth. With the right tools and knowledge, you can maximize your returns and achieve your financial goals.